Hi friend, Ashish here. I am a yoga practitioner and yoga counselor. So I am giving you some of the technique you can know yourself what you want to do in yoga. So there are three techniques in Bhagavad Gita. There are three ways. So one is Karma Yoga, second is Jnana Yoga, and third is Bhakti Yoga. So Karma Yoga you can do if you are very much inclined in doing physical stuff or doing something. You are in action. You love to do actions, like you want to do pranayama, you want to do asanas, you want to work something, you want to in Grihastha ashram there are so many responsibility. So taking responsibility is also a yoga. In Grihastha ashram they are yogis. You can't say the householder are not yogis. They are yogis. They are very tough yogis. In Grihastha ashram, very tough life it is. There are so many responsibility. Wife, kids, your family and your maternal uncle and so many people are there, your friends, your society. So you have to take care of all those people, so many things. So they are yogis actually in Grihastha ashram. So they are Karma Yoga. They are in Karma Yoga. And Jnana Yoga is very much, scholar, intellectuals, you know about yoga and you know about world, society. Basically you are a philosopher, a visioner, you have a vision. So you have a vision. So, a kind of intellect thing. So like this also you can know what yoga is, and definitely you will achieve higher reality. You should know, and you deserve to know what higher reality is. Actually you deserve. So there are three ways. One is Karma Yoga. I told you, if you love to do something, if you love to do actions, you join Karma Yoga. If you love to know something, if you are very much inclined in knowing something and getting knowledges, then definitely this is Jnana Yoga. And the last is Bhakti Yoga. And in here, what you have to do, you have to surrender to God. You have to surrender to God, because you think that I have not that much intellect, I have not that much knowledge that I can understand the world, because I am not understanding myself only. I also feel that I don't understand myself. How can I understand others? How can I understand other people, this world, this society and all? So these all seems like illusion, Maya. So definitely you have to surrender to God. In yoga also Lord Krishna says that surrender to me only. Sarvadharam Paritanje Mamekam Sharanam Braja. You just surrender to God, and God will give you knowledge, and God will give you the inspiration, the energy. But you have to do this also. And this all yoga, you need one guru who tell you how you are doing right or wrong. You can't say that, no, I am keeping my name. There are so many pandits who are chanting whole day Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. And there is no any symptom of yoga inside them, yoga inside them. You need a guru who will recognize why you are doing good or not. You are giving a good, a proper effort from your side or not, or you are just doing time pass or So in that way you need a master, a mentor, a guru, proper guru. In yoga you need a guru actually. In yoga, my guru is also there. So I follow him, and I am in a path, I am a yoga practitioner, I told you. But this is the three techniques you can recognize yourself. You want action, you want knowledge, or you want to surrender. You don't know. You want action also, knowledge also, and you want to surrender. You have to take a lead of one. If you are surrendering, that means you have knowledge and action also, but little. If you have a knowledge, then definitely you might be some surrendering also, and might be some action also. And if you are in action, definitely there are some love, there bhakti, and there are something knowledge also. So these three are interpersonal and interrelated. So by this way you just recognize yourself, what is your interest, what you love, what you want to do in yoga. So here I am ending my conversation. Hope you like this conversation. If anything you want to tell me, please tell me. I will love to hear that. And here I am ending. Thank you, friend.